Hey, hi. Welcome to VMware Workstation installation section. So let's create virtual machine using the VMware Workstation. Please click on the create a new virtual machine, click on the next, and as of now select I will install the OS later on, click on next and click on the Microsoft Windows and Windows Server, which version you want to use. I'm going to go with this 2019 only. Click on next and please provide the name which you want and location. The particular thing has to be saved on your personal PC and click on next and provide the disk size. And do you want to split them into different, or if you want to keep them in a single file, you go. For now I'm going to keep in a single file and click on next. And now click on the customization hardware. Please provide the RAM you want. I'm going to provide the 2 GB. Auto detect for the physical. Over here I'm going to go with this particular ISO image. For 2019 we should use 2000 server 19 ISO image only. If it is a 2022 or 2003 or anything, for that we need to use that particular ISO image only. Go to the network adapter, either go with the bridge connect directly to the physical network or use the custom based on your requirement. As of now I'm going to go with the bridge connect direct to the physical network. Why? Because I'm going to provide my physical network internet connection only to my virtual machine. And that's it, and close it and click on the finish. And now power on this virtual machine and click on I finished installing, and please click on any. Okay, and whenever if you get this EFI network time on, don't get panic. Just have some patience and wait for until this issue gets solved. Okay, just wait for some time, don't worry. We will be getting up to the next level, so let's wait for some time. EFI network timeout. So this basically, whenever WhatsApp problem means, whenever we get this message, most of the people will be thinking that something has been incorrect. So simply they are stopping their work and simply they're thinking that it is not working. But whenever if we get this kind of EFI network timeout, don't get panic, just wait for some time. Let it run at the background. Based on your system, it may take time. See, now I got the boot manager pop-up screen. Okay. Now what I need to do means I need to go with the enter setup, right? So for that I need to click on the enter button. Now press any key, any alphabet, no problem. It's loading. So basically this process might take some time. Okay, don't worry. In between, if any problems comes up, we will try to resolve here itself. I'm not going to skip any video, okay, until install completely. Even if it takes 1 hour or anything, let it be. If you guys are watching this video, if you think that it is too lengthy, please try to speed up this video. In the YouTube or in any settings, we will be having to speed the video into 2x or 1.5. Okay, and click on next here and click on the Windows Server 2019 install now. Setup is going to start now. Okay, guys, I'm not going to skip anything. Basically, some people don't like it, they want quick solution, but try to watch it if you have a time. Otherwise, try to skip the videos and watch exactly which steps you are getting stuck up. Okay, now in this thing OS, I'm going to go with the second option, Windows Server 2019 standard evaluation, the experience. Click on next and click on I accept the license terms. Click on the custom installation and click on the next it will take this installing the windows is there now. Basically it will be taking some time, most probably based on our system. Okay, but don't worry, let it be. Okay, do it. And if you guys think it's taking lengthy while you're watching this recording video, I suggest you to just skip little bit. Okay, and in between now, once this get installation is complete over here, in between I will give some tips over here while installing all this thing. The most important thing is that whenever we want to install the VMware's workstation, the first thing is that we should have patience. Yeah, really. Okay, sometimes what happens means there will be some errors will be coming up. Okay, we need to resolve them. Sometimes we may get the EFI is not valid. Sometimes before that I've shown your screen, right? EFA timeout, like like that. There will be some errors will be coming up, like EFA network not found and EFI unsuccessful. So this kind of problems you will get. So on that time, don't get panic. Try to resolve them, going up to the settings and try to do it. If you're still not getting the issue solved now, my suggestion would be create a new virtual machine and start again. Okay, and please delete the old one. Okay, why? Because sometimes now the issues might be coming up while doing this installation process. So on that time I recommend to use this kind of steps or tips. You might be thinking, for you it might be tips, so please remember it. And one more thing is that the good thing with this virtualware workstation is that whenever we want we can do the customization for our RAM, memory, disk, anything. Okay, especially mostly hard disk memory is enough, but we can do the customization. As I've given the 2 GB approximately over here for my for this video, but you guys can go to 4 GB, 6 GB, 8 GB also. It's based on your requirement. Even though if you are done with this complete installation, also the good thing is that still whenever we want in future in this VMware workstation, we might be using the different purpose for any different softwares. On that time some RAMs are not enough. See, for just now I'm going with 2 GB, right? This might not enough for some of the applications, some of the softwares. On that time what I need to do means I just need to go to the edit virtual settings. I need to increase the RAM. Don't worry, I will be showing you at the end of the section what exactly we need to do it. So this is the main purpose. Okay, let's have some patience, guys. It's almost more than 50% it is completed here. Actually getting files ready for the installation will might take some time, and rest of the installing feature, installing updates, finishing up, it won't make that much time. Okay, just approximately I think between 5 minutes it will complete. If you guys are feeling bored, please forward this video to next level. Otherwise just increase the speed. Otherwise just go with the flow. It's based on your availability time that you guys are having. And for you guys, I just want to give the one more information. So basically this VMware is the free version only. Okay, but if you guys think that I don't want to do all this kind of installation and lengthy process, the good thing is that I would recommend to go and use the cloud technology. Cloud in the sense like AWS, Azure, GCP we have, right? Using those cloud applications also, you can easily create the virtual machines, guys. Okay, that is very smart one. Most probably it will be taking for you just 5 minutes. But the thing is that that is not valid for lifetime. Actually, means what exactly I mean means that is not a free one. Basically, they would be giving free for 1 month or 2 months like that. But later on, we need to pay the money for that. But the good thing is that that is very time saving one. But it's suppose if you guys want to avoid the paying money over here, while using the virtual machines. I would recommend to go with this VMware workstation, or you guys can go and use any other workstations. Okay, we have Oracle also, VirtualBox. Like that, we have some other virtual machines. But I recommend to go and use this VMware. If suppose if you guys are not okay with the cloud, okay, in cloud how it will be there means just we need to set up the what exact RAM we want, what disk, what which software we want. Just click on then instance. That's it in AWS or Azure. It's very easy. Whenever I had time, I will try to show how to create virtual machines in different clouds like in AWS, Azure, and also GCP. Okay, for now I'm going with the VMware workstation. Almost is going to be over, guys. It's going to restart now, so don't worry, it's almost over. Just please wait for a few more minutes. It's going to be restarting. Once it is restarting now, basically what I will happen means at backend it will be updating. Means whatever the installation we have done, it's going to be updated to the particular OS at backend. Starting services. Okay. See, it's getting our device to be ready. Okay. And one more thing, I just want to tell you guys. The thing is that basically we are using this RAM and disk over here, right? We created some 2 GB or 4 GB, right? And 60 GB disk. Basically, you guys may get some question from it exactly it's going to take. Basically, for that, the hardware is required for RAM or hard disk, right? Basically, the memory will be taking from our physical network. I mean, from the main desktop at backend. Okay. Okay, let's create the password. Click on finish. Yes, it's done. Successfully, it is done, guys. Click on our password. Please wait. Done. It's successfully completed. If you guys want to increase the screen size, just click on this enter full screen mode. Otherwise, click on this thing also for refresh screen. This is asking me for the personal network. See over here, even a network is connected. The reason is that I'm using my physical network. I have used the bridge network, right, while installing network adapter. That is why I'm getting this thing. So this is server manager we are getting. So that's all, guys. And please change the settings as per your requirements. Sometimes internet might be not working, maybe stopping us to not to use further. See, this kind of messages will be coming. So this Internet Explorer and security configuration. For that, you guys need to turn off the enhancer one. So try to do it. Open the server manager. There will be one option actually. Let me show you guys, and I will end up this section. Click on the local servers. I'm talking about this IE enhanced security configuration. So it is in on. Try to off them. Click on refresh. It's shown as an off actually. Sometimes even after offing this button also, sometimes still we don't get an internet actually. The reason might be different reasons. Okay. Some see I'm not getting now. So it's showing that off it like that, but still I'm not getting. The reasons might be different. Okay. For everyone it won't get this kind of things. Sometimes we will be getting this kind of things, but don't worry guys, we need to change some settings for this actually. Shut down as of now. Go to the edit virtual machine settings. Click on, for now, this network adapter which is there now, remove, and again add network adapter and provide your option you want. Let's check any other options are missing. Let's click on OK. Let's start our virtual machine again. Whenever you guys, if you guys are changing any option now, try to check it again and again. Means I mean all the options are entered correctly or not. Please check it. And one more thing is that if you guys change any options at backend, try to restart them, because especially in the virtual machine, the things will take some time to update at backend. Sometimes we need to type different tricks to get those issues to be resolved. Okay, don't worry, have some patience. Once it is successfully done, it's not a big task. Let's see whether it will be working or not. Should work actually. Let's try it. Don't worry. If it's not going to work, we will try any another method also. Let it load, let it get load properly. Let's try now whether internet is cutting or not. You can't. Yes, it's done. Now it's working, guys. Don't worry. Successfully done. Even though we call some default messages to update, now it's successfully are getting. Basically, in VMware, internet is very much important. So that is the reason I told you to change the update and try it. Okay. So whatever the changes, whatever the issues you get, and if you change anything in the VM now, try to restart it. Then only it will update at the back end. And and I want to give one more tip is that once you are getting to the VM, at least wait for 1 to 2 minutes because it will be slow compared with the normal system. Okay, and that's all for the today. I hope you this video will be useful for you, and thank you so much for your patience for watching this video till now. I hope this will be helpful for you guys, and let's meet in the next topic in next session. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys are happy with this thing, guys. Okay, okay, guys. Let's meet in the next section. Okay, I'm stopping the record. Thank you so much. Bye.